Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, your YouTube tutor is going to teach you how to solve 61 squared with this fast and simple trick to get your answer in seconds. So we take our first digit, which is 6, and square 6, which gives us 36. So we write 36 on this side. And the next digit is 1. So we take the square of 1, which gives us 01. And we combine that with this 36. What do we do next? We multiply 6 and 1 and by the exponent. So what I mean is 6 times 1 giving us 6 times the exponent 2 giving us 12. So when you write 12 here and we add a 0 to the end and sum it all up, we have 1, 2, 7, 3. So 61 squared is clearly 3,721. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.